are you doing? I hope you're having a fabulous day. Today we're opening up my August Facetory box, or bag I should say. My instinct is always to say box. So Facetory is a sheet mask subscription and it always comes in this cute mailer bag. I think it's so adorable. I love this subscription. I actually just mentioned Facetory in a recent video, so if you guys missed it, I will link it down below. But I recently did a collaboration with Southern Mom and Georgia Sunshine where we all discussed our 5 recommendations for boxes on a budget. So we chose 5 boxes that are under $30, and Facetory was actually the most affordable subscription that I selected. So Facetory is it starts at $7.57 a month. So it's less than $8 and you get 4 sheet masks delivered every month. They do offer another plan where you get 7 masks, I believe, and that is $16 or something like that. I will leave that information down below. I subscribed for a 6-month plan through Cratejoy, so I paid even less than that. So it's such a great deal, and I honestly have loved every single mask that I have received. I used, I think my last of the 4 masks I received last month, I used it a couple days ago. I just really love sheet masks. I prefer sheet masks over a regular mask. I guess I'm just lazy and I really love throwing one on, relaxing, and I do it pretty often. So let's see what is in our Facetory this month, and of course it will be linked down below. I will also link down below any active giveaways I have going on. I have several, so if you have not yet entered, those are always linked in the description box, so definitely do so before they end. All of my giveaways are always open international, so all my subscribers have an equal chance. So this comes in a resealable bag, which is really great, so you can store your face mask in here if you want to, or use it for whatever purpose you want. But inside, this is what I see. So on the top it says Forever Young. So there's always a cute little postcard in here. You can either use as a postcard, obviously, or you can hang it up or pin it somewhere, whatever you want to do. And this month it says Forever Young. And this is what it looks like on the other side. So super cute. And then we have an information sheet, so let's see what this says. August, Forever Fresh. This month you'll be radiating with a youthful glow. Our August Forever Fresh kit will provide you with smooth and plump skin. You'll find sheet masks packed with moisturizing, balancing, and antioxidant-rich ingredients to help your skin feel rejuvenated. Awesome, and then it gives some information on each of the sheet masks in here, why they love it, when to use it, and what the retail price is. There is also some information on the top that says how to sheet mask. So if you're new to the sheet mask world, step 1 is to cleanse and tone your skin. Step 2, apply the mask for 10 to 25 minutes, depending on the instructions, which will be on the actual sheet mask container, or packaging I should say. Step 3, remove the mask and pat in the remaining essence. Okay, so let's start with the first one. Oh my god, such cute packaging. This is actually by Facetory. It says Everyday Pearl. So that is the front of it. And here is what the back looks like. So Everyday Pearl. It says shine bright like a pearl, a brightening mask. Our mask contains no harsh chemicals, parabens, SLS, artificial dyes, denatured alcohol, or ethanol, and no artificial fragrance. Awesome. And on the back it says, is your skin feeling dull or tired? Our Pearl Essence mask is here to help. Infused with pearl extract, this antioxidant-rich sheet mask will brighten your complexion, adding a beautiful radiance to your skin. And then it gives you some tips, or directions. Cleanse your face, apply the mask onto your face, leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes, let your skin soak in all the nutrients, remove the mask and pat in the remaining essence left on your skin. Sometimes if it's really wet after, I'll move down the essence on my neck and chest. But let's see if there's any more additional information on here. So this is $3. And it says, why we love it. Our favorite daily mask is here. Infused with pearl extract and witch hazel leaf water. This antioxidant-rich sheet mask helps brighten our complexion, adding a beautiful radiance to our skin. It's fragrance-free and doesn't include harsh chemicals, making it perfectly gentle for all skin types. And when to use it? When you're craving a bright, smooth complexion day, for a special day, or just every day. Awesome, I'm excited to try this one. No, I think I've gotten the next one in an Ipsy bag actually, or in here, maybe it's just the same brand, but this is Look at Me Sweet Honey Bear Face Mask, Smoothing and Nourishing. This just looks so familiar to me, and I think I got a 2-pack of this. One was a bear and one was something else in an Ipsy bag. And I don't remember anything bad about it, so I'm sure it is great. Here is the back of it. Looks like most of it is in another language, like K-beauty type. Let's see. Enriched with honey and propolis extract to help refresh and energize skin, leaving it feeling soft, smooth, and supple. The lightweight texture absorbs fast and offers hydration without leaving a greasy residue. Awesome, so let's see what other information's on the card. So the Look at Me Sweet Honey Bear Smoothing and Nourishing Mask is $3. It says, feel like a cute honey bear with this sheet mask. It contains ingredients to calm redness and moisturize the skin. Why we love it. This sheet mask helps soothe and nourish our skin with honey and sunflower seed oil. Our skin was left feeling as soft as velvet. When to use? When you want your skin to look sweet as honey. Awesome. Now let's move on to the third mask. This is Blank Therapy. Yeah, Blank Therapy. Experience the finest quality, purify with Blank Therapy Premium Egg White Sheet Mask. Interesting. Egg white. I can say I've never used an egg white mask before. I guess on the back it says it's tightening. So here's what the back looks like. The top is in another language, but it looks like the bottom is in English. So tightening and pore care. Egg white. It tightens large pores and cures pores to make smooth skin. Tencel Cupra fabric. It can absorb moisture greater than cotton. This fabric is soft, breathable, lightweight, comfortable, and suitable for skin. Okay, let's see what it says on this sheet. So the retail value is $2.50. It says, this is a perfect sheet mask for treating large pores, which I definitely have. The Tencel Cupra fabric really allows the essence to sink into your skin. It's comfortable, soft, soothing, and dare we say, excellent. Why we love it. This sheet mask is infused with albumin extract and Hotunia cordata extract. I think I might have gotten that one. To help make your skin smooth. We love that it contains no artificial fragrances and has amazing ingredients that will make skin happy and healthy. We also noticed that it helped diminish large pores and gave our skin a lovely glow from within look. And when to use this? When your pores are unruly and your skin feels oily. Awesome, I'm kind of intrigued by this one. Interesting. Oh man, my cat's laying on my new purse I just opened for my Balzano yesterday. You like my purse? Is it gonna be full kit here now? Oh, and she's rubbing her head against it. Fiona. God, I wish it was easy to show you guys. Maybe I'm gonna take a little video. Maybe I can put it in. Hi Fiona, look, you're gonna be in the video. Fiona. There you guys are. Okay, so if I'm able to get that to work, I'm gonna include a little picture of my cat right now because she's cute and I want to show you. The last one, ooh, this is the Mellow Cotton Candy Mask and it says protection on it. Look at all that yummy sugary stuff. And here is the back. So, last but not least, Candy Old Lady Mellow Cotton Candy Mask. This is a retail value of $2.50. It says this sheet mask will protect your skin with the power of hydration and ferments. Reach for this one when you want to help rebuild your skin barrier and add some awesome defense. Why we love it. We love the ingredients in this sheet mask. Infused with trehalose and lactobacillus/soybean ferment extract, this mask really restored and balanced our skin to help rebuild our precious skin barrier. When to use. When your skin is craving a sweet treatment, reach for this little Candy Old Lady. Awesome. I'm so excited to try our masks this month. So, just quick recap, we have the Everyday Pearl Mask, Sweet Honey Bear Face Mask, the Blank Therapy Egg White Mask, which I think I'm the most curious about and excited to use, and the Mellow Cotton Candy Mask. So the last thing on here are just some tips for sheet masks. It says, do not leave your mask on for over 30 minutes, which is something new. I didn't know that until I got the subscription. Because sometimes I just like leave it on too long, but now I always make sure to put a timer on. So that's a little tip. I just use like my iPhone timer. And then it says use the remaining essence to moisturize the neck and the shoulders, which I do and I mentioned already. And the last tip is make sure to apply a moisturizer to lock in the essence from the mask. I always do that as well. So that is everything for Facetory. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, I will link Facetory down below along with my collab video and my giveaway links. I love you guys so much. Again, thank you for being here and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Hi Fiona, look, you're gonna be in the video. Fiona. There you guys are.